Okay. How can I help you? You want a membership? Okay. For what exactly? Swimming, okay. Are you a child or a adult? Alright. Your name? Your surname? Your age? And your address. Okay. Let me just get you a membership. Hold on, let me just get you membership. Okay. There you go, gentlemen. Thank you. Yes. Next. Hello. How can I help you? You going swimming? Okay. Swimming. How many? 7? Alright. 3 adults and 2 children. Good. How old are you, the children? 7, 12, 19. Okay. Can you just give me the little one's hand and I can put it on? There you go, child. Okay, have a nice day. Fuck off. Hello. How may I help you? You want a membership? Okay. What for? Gym. Alright. Your name? Your surname? Your age? And your address? And your weight? Okay. Let me just write you one up. Gym. Okay. There you go, Michael. Have a safe thing. Alright. Next. Hello. Your name? Your age? Your date of birth? Your surname? And your Medicare number? What are you here for? Doctor's appointment? Okay. Is your child sick? Yep. What's your child's name? Her age? Awesome. Okay, hang on, let me just write her. You guys go and wait in the waiting room. Next. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? You want a gift card? Okay, hang on. What sort of gift card are you looking for? A Christmas one? Okay. That'll be $35? Thank you. Now, do you want a free lottery ticket in there? Yeah, alright. Alrighty. Alright, here is your card and your lottery ticket. Thank you. Yes, thank you very much. Alright, next. Hang on, I'll take a break. Okay. Next, please. Hi, how can I help you? 1 second, ma'am. So, how can I help you? You want to buy a new house? Okay. What particular hall are you looking for? Cheap and 3-story. Okay. The one that we have is for $1,000. Exactly, 1,500. It's a 6-bedroom house, 2-bathroom and 3-car park. Do you want that? And also, there's a swimming pool there as well, and space to put a little playground. Yeah, you want that? All right, hang on. What was your name? Michael? Your age, your surname, and your current address, and your new address. Alright, hang on, Mike. Okay. Alrighty. Here's your payment, and enjoy your new house. Next. Hi, darling. How can I help you? What was that? You want to go fishing? Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. We don't do fishing payments here. If you want to go fishing, you go to the sea. Next, please. Hello. How may I help you? Want to buy a car? Okay. Are you the same people as who I bought? You came here to buy a house? Yes. So I know your name. Oh, good. So what type of car are you looking for? A Mercedes. Ooh. Let me have a look if I have any stock. So the only car we have left now is a Mazda CX-12. That has 14 seats and a really big trunk. Want that? Alright. That'll be $1,500. And hang on, man. Can I just have your phone number? Alright, thank you. You have 15 months warranty on that, so yeah. Hang on 1 second. Alrighty, man. Thank you. Enjoy your house plus your new car. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys, and happy Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas Eve.